Well, there's Big Lil this morning. Visiting, and the snow is starting again. I'm glad you can get to that okay, Lil. You're looking good. Yeah, you're looking real good, Lil. Alrighty. You be safe.